Galeon 620 Fly. Stuns with its two-tone hull, massive areas with the lowering balconies, huge glass ensuring spectacular views, a main deck with lots of sunlight coming in. We're sitting here at the bar area. You can imagine your family and friends relaxing with you on the boat. Some other key features, but just a really neat opportunity on this boat is this table. The table actually rotates, can get smaller. You can take some chairs away, but it is nice. You can fit a number of people out here with your family. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center. Welcome aboard. As we enter the salon galley area on the Galeon 620 Fly, I just wanted to point out a few other things. You'll notice how the doors open up. This is a high-low window that goes down to open this whole area up, bringing the outside in. You've got a high-low television right here that goes up. So as you're sitting back here, you can watch the games or movies with the kids. So we'll walk in here a little further, taking a look at the light that comes in from these large windows. Beautiful designed interior. This is our galley refrigerator freezer, 4-burner Kenyon grill top. Seating here, plenty of seating. But one of the cool features about the Galeon 620 is this seating area here. Because if you're driving from down here, where does everybody else want to be? They want to be with you as the captain, the dad. And you've got plenty of seating here. We got a state-of-the-art control panel here for your helm. Raymarine electronics, beautiful controls. This is a shaft-driven Volvo Penta D13 engines, 1,000 horsepower, and it has 2. So again, just lots of light coming in, contemporary decorations and finishes on the Galeon 620 Fly. We're in the master stateroom on the Galeon 620 Fly. Just take note of some of the beautiful finishes that you find in this master stateroom. It is a full beam master, but this has a number of special features. You've got your own private television, you have your own private bathroom, but I want you to take a look at how contemporary that master bath actually is. But the boat, one of the highlights of this particular boat is the owner's private balcony, and this is how you access it. The Galeon 620 Fly is a 3-cabin, 3-head layout. Comfortable, plenty of room for your family and friends to come enjoy being on your private yacht. We're on the flybridge of the Galeon 620 Fly. I'm standing here at the new redesigned bar area. You've got 2 Kenyon barbecue grills, sink, refrigeration, more refrigeration, ice maker. The thing you're going to find here is just a large amount of space. You've got large seating here. As you saw a minute ago, you've got the loungers in the back. Notice the hard top, the fixed hard top, but specifically seating for all your family and friends. And can you see and can you feel them up here listening to some music? You're barbecuing some hot dogs, hamburgers, maybe some steak and lobster, and you're just having a great time enjoying nature and bringing the outside into this area. Lastly, while we're up here, let's take a look at this beautiful helm area. You've got your throttles, you've got everything that you have down below is located up here. You've got your thrusters, you've got a display unit, lots of controls, just a great use of space on the Galeon 620 Fly. We're in the heart of the Galeon 620 Fly. We're in the engine compartment. You can see your twin Volvo Penta D13 1,000 horsepower engines, Onan generator, fuel tanks. Notice how clean this engine compartment is laid out. And that's what you get when you get the Galeon 620 Fly. We're on the bow area of the Galeon 620 Fly, and Just go over some of the basic specs on the boat. Length overall is 64 feet 7 inches. You got a beam of 16 feet 1 inch. But when you got the balconies down, you've got an over 23-foot beam. You've got 924 gallons of fuel, draft of 3.2. This boat offers a lot for a 62-foot boat. We've got this boat located at Pompano Yacht Center for MarineMax. I'm Brian Herman for MarineMax, and I look forward to seeing you out on the water.